I stopped buying cheese. I make it with yogurt. I will pour yogurt into clean and washed jars. Do not fill the jars to the top. I don't need industrial cheese when I can make my own from plain yogurt. No additives, no chemistry, and I know what I'm eating. I need a deeper pan. I put a cloth on the bottom of the pot. I put the jars in the pot. I will cover the jars with lids. I pour water into the pot. I pour water up to a little above half of the jar. I put the pan on the stove. I turn on the stove and I'll wait for the water to boil. The water boiled. I reduce the temperature and cook for 20 minutes. Heat changes the structure of proteins. When heated, milk proteins begin to bond. I don't pay the industry, I make food. I don't need a factory texture when natural is better. I will leave the jars to cool in the water. I need a colander. I need a piece of gauze. And I will separate the cheese from the whey. You can add spices as you wish. I will only add salt. I put the cheese in the fridge for a few hours so that it cools down and drains. Write me in the comments from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we can see each other all over the world. We got a fantastic cream cheese. I store cream cheese in a glass container. I use it as a spread and as a substitute for cream cheese in dishes. If you like the recipe, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.